They got a little bit of weight on that thing, don't they? All right, this old boy's blocking the shot. They're gonna throw her in reverse. And they totally missed it. Why is there a man in the water? One thing that I don't understand is why people are always getting in the water at the boat ramp. Oh boy, not this freaking junkie stunt again.
Too deep, huh?
All right, so here we are. It's gonna be our third attempt. Still got our guy in the water down here. He's gonna go ahead and guide him on in. Right now there's not a gust of wind, so they better hurry up and get this thing on the trailer before it cranks up here. I can't wait to see what happens when this storm blows in. There's gonna be a lot of people freaking out. It's gonna be absolutely chaos here at the launch. Got the tripod. I'm doing the best I can right now, freehanding in this wind, but golly, he's neck deep in this thing. All he's got to do is put it in gear and it'll go forward and get up on there. What's he running over? This truck and trailer's backing down a little bit deeper. That's gonna be good depth right there. That's good right there. There you go. She went ahead and pulled it back up. Beautiful. Guys, don't blame it on the wind and current. It can be done, and it can be done flawlessly. They got some weight up front in that thing. Trim tabs ain't even touching the water. Alright, let's check him out. Alright, he's gonna back out. He about got too much weight in the front. Alright, let's check him back out. What in the heck is going on? They must have a whole fish box full of fish. 'Cause they got that thing, I mean, up out the water in the back. Dang, prop was just showing. What the heck happened to the cowling? Oh boy, not this freaking junkie stunt again. Sorry baby, go ahead and reset that. She ain't on right. They can't let it ride like that. Uh-oh. They're coming back. What's going on? Looks like they did a loop after about 15 minutes and they're fixing to back down. They couldn't have missed the water that quick. Don't give her no.
That's my daughter, and I taught her myself. So
she did good. They did awesome, but they just circled the block and they came back around. I said they couldn't have missed it that quick. could have happened. Phew! Uh-oh, what do we got here? We got an RV coming down? This is a new one for the channel. We got an RV fixing to back down. Alright, just bump it right off the other one. Gosh, look at this. Look behind you. Get rid of the top, boys. Listen to that prop. Watch it hit that tune. What's going on over here in lane 1? Buddy's struggling to get her down in the water, it looks like. Uh-oh, what's going on over there? Oh gosh, the freaking co-captain in the back there jumped off the dock onto the pontoon boat. He didn't know if he was going to have to save it again from slamming into that guy. This wind is no joke today. Sorry I'm not on my tripod, so it's not, you know, as straight as it needs to be all the time, but I'm trying. I'm freehanding. Looks like we're in a little crooked here, a little deep down there. This is who I've got my eye on. This crew right here. They got it. Got it on there crooked. Just give them another chance. Y'all be quiet, be patient. You can drop a comment in the meantime. Let us know how many tries you think it's going to be. Oh, there he is. He looks good there. There he goes.
Thank you.
What did I just miss? Somebody just slammed into something. Oh my gosh. This is our friend that was videoing us on her cell phone on the last episode. Looks like she's playing the sea tow captain today.
Hey, sir.
Just toss them the line and let them drift around. They'll figure it out. It's like, yeah, we're good. We got a paddle. What do you think? We've been in that position with a boat like that.
Thank you.
I don't think she saw me yet. How y'all doing? Looks like they got a trolling motor. That thing's got a little bit of thrust on it. I'm quite impressed. This thing is still crooked. Freaking water's just pouring out of it. Probably because they pulled the plug and then backed it in and let that thing fill back up with water. Looks like we're trying to figure out how to put on a bumper or something. said, y'all better pull that top down. They looked at me disgusted. I meant like pull the bimini top down. Bimini. All right, here they go. Come all the way from Gulfport, Mississippi. They watch the Big Dan show. Don't let me down now. I got him now. Pretty dang good. Get off that side end now. You got him a little cockeyed on there. Oh man, sea tow part 2. What in the world? They got the ski nautique. Now is that a raft? Are they pulling a raft? Are they tubing? Or is that a boat? Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Old ski nautique almost messed up and hit the next chapter. My friends from Gulfport look like they got it on there. They did a good job. But this guy on the end with the single might have a little bit of an issue. Them things are hard to get in there. Oh, look at them. They're paddling against the wind. Look at him paddling against the wind. Get in there, boy. He ain't even going forward. Well, it's always something happening here on the Big Dan show. So if it's your first time tuning in, we want to say thank you very much. Smash that like button, smash the subscribe button. You want to be notified every time we drop new content. We try to drop new content every week. We've been doing so for the last 4 months without a missed opportunity. So again, today we're at the launch at ICW, and got a couple people that came in here being towed in today. I'm feeling a few raindrops. Looks like there's a storm brewing to the southeast. And again, our guy here on the far side really having some trouble with the small trailer. What's that, boss? Nice. He is in slow motion if I ever seen it. Coming in a little hot, isn't he? I don't think he needs to pull out yet. I don't even think he's on there. He's gonna have to reset. Looks better. There you go. There you go. Oh, they didn't pull the motor up. Did it scrape? Did it scrape? Oh gosh, it's close. How y'all doing?
I like that boat. We used to have to sell fish. I
like your boat. That's what I want, is 32 Jupiter. What is that?
31.
31? Oh, look out, boat, look out. You just run right up under the bow. Little gel coat repair. How many boats you got? That's good. He's like, baby, get out, I got this.